The allure of steel durability and style combined. Steel roofs are gaining popularity for their strength and longevity. Homeowners appreciate their sleek, modern look and the fact that steel can mimic other materials. They come in various colors and styles. Steel roofs are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also offer energy efficiency. They reflect sunlight, which helps reduce cooling costs. Plus, they are often made from recycled materials, making them a sustainable choice. When choosing a contractor, it's important to look for experience and proper licensing. A well-installed steel roof will last for decades. Setting the stage preparation is key. Before you start, gather your tools and materials. Remember, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate safety gear like gloves, eye protection, and a secure harness when working at heights. Next, inspect your roof deck for any damage or rot. Repair or replace any compromised sections to ensure the roof structure is sound and can support the weight of the new steel roof. Accurate measurements are crucial. Measure twice, cut once. This applies to both the roof area and the steel panels. Ordering the right amount of materials will help prevent any delays. Laying the foundation. Underlayment and flashing. Underlayment is your first line of defense against moisture and ice dams. Start by rolling out the underlayment horizontally from the eaves, overlapping each row by a few inches. Secure it with roofing nails or use a cap stapler for faster installation. Next, install flashing around chimneys, vents, and skylights to prevent water from seeping into vulnerable areas. Choose high-quality flashing materials like aluminum or galvanized steel. Cut and shape the flashing carefully to ensure a precise fit. Securing the structure. Installing drip edge and starter strips is a fundamental step in roofing. Begin with the drip edge along the eaves to prevent water from running back under the roof. This metal flashing is designed to direct water away from the fascia and into the gutters, ensuring that the underlying structure remains dry and protected. Nail it directly to the roof deck, overlapping pieces by at least 2 inches. This overlap is crucial to create a continuous barrier against water infiltration. Make sure the nails are spaced evenly to secure the drip edge firmly in place. Starter strips are essential for aligning the first row of panels and providing a secure nailing point. These strips act as a guide, ensuring that the shingles or panels are laid out straight and true from the very beginning. Install these along the eaves, aligning them with the drip edge. Proper alignment is key to maintaining the integrity of the roof's edge and ensuring that water flows correctly into the gutters. Use roofing nails to secure them. Make sure the nails penetrate through the starter strip and into the roof deck to provide a strong hold. This will prevent the starter strips from shifting or lifting over time. Double-check the alignment of both the drip edge and starter strips to ensure a straight and professional-looking installation. This step is crucial for the overall appearance and functionality of the roof. Any misalignment can lead to water damage and other issues down the line. These components are crucial for preventing leaks and wind damage. The drip edge and starter strips work together to create a watertight seal at the roof's edge, protecting your home from the elements. Proper installation of these elements can significantly extend the lifespan of your roof and reduce maintenance costs. Now the exciting part. Installing the steel panels. Begin at a corner, working your way across. Most steel roofs have an interlocking system, which makes installation straightforward. Align each panel carefully with the starter strip. Use screws with rubber washers to secure the panels. It's crucial to drive the screws straight to prevent leaks. Overlap panels according to the manufacturer's instructions. If you need to cut a panel, use specialized metal cutting tools. Remember, avoid using abrasive saws as they can generate excessive heat, damaging the protective coating on the steel. Moving on to the ridge and rake. Completing the roof line. This is a crucial step in ensuring the longevity and durability of your roof. The ridge cap covers the peak of the roof, adding a finished look and preventing water intrusion. It acts as a barrier against rain, snow, and other elements, ensuring that your roof remains watertight. Install the ridge vent first if applicable to allow for proper ventilation. Proper ventilation is essential for maintaining the temperature and moisture levels in your attic, which can extend the life of your roof and improve energy efficiency. Cut the ridge cap pieces to fit and overlap them by a few inches. This overlapping ensures that there are no gaps where water can seep through. providing an additional layer of protection. Secure them with screws, driving them through the ridge and into the roof panels below. Make sure the screws are evenly spaced and properly tightened to prevent any movement or loosening over time. For gable roofs, install rake trim along the sloped edges. The rake trim not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the roof, but also provides additional protection against wind and weather. This provides a clean, finished appearance and helps to protect the exposed edges of the roof panels from wind uplift. Wind uplift can cause significant damage to the roof if not properly addressed, so the rake trim is an essential component. Use screws or nails to secure the rake trim in place. Ensure that the fasteners are driven in straight and are flush with the trim to avoid any potential leaks or damage. Regular maintenance and inspection of these components can help in identifying any issues early and prolonging the life of your roof. Finally, sealing the deal. Ensuring a watertight finish, inspect all seams and joints. Apply a high-quality sealant to any areas that require additional protection, including areas around vents, chimneys, and skylights. Use a sealant specifically designed for metal roofs, which should be weather-resistant and UV stable. Apply the sealant with a caulking gun, ensuring a smooth and even bead for a professional finish. Pay close attention to areas where different materials meet, as these junctions are particularly vulnerable to leaks. A well-sealed roof will provide years of worry-free performance. Ventilation is key to maintaining a healthy roof. Without proper ventilation, your roof can suffer from a range of issues that can compromise its integrity and lifespan. Proper ventilation is essential for a durable and energy-efficient roof. It helps to keep your home comfortable and reduces the strain on your HVAC system, potentially lowering your energy bills. It prevents moisture buildup, which can lead to mold, mildew, and premature deterioration of roofing materials. Moisture can seep into the wooden structures, causing rot and weakening the overall structure of your home. To allow air to circulate freely, install ridge vents or soffit vents. These vents work together to create a continuous flow of air through the attic space, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy roof. The intake vents are usually located in the soffits, while the exhaust vents are at or near the ridge. This strategic placement ensures that cool air enters from the lower part of the roof and warm, moist air exits from the top. This creates a natural airflow that helps to regulate temperature and moisture levels. A well-ventilated roof space can significantly extend the life of your roofing materials and improve the overall health of your home. For optimal performance, the total area of intake vents should be equal to the total area of exhaust vents. This balance is crucial for ensuring that the ventilation system works efficiently and effectively. This will ensure a balanced ventilation system. A balanced system not only protects your roof, but also enhances the comfort and safety of your living environment. Regular maintenance and inspection of your roof ventilation system can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your roof. With the major components in place, it's time to attend to the finishing touches. Install any accessories, such as snow guards or solar panels. These should be integrated with the roof structure. Clean up any debris around the work area. This includes nails, screws, and metal shavings. A magnetic sweeper can be helpful for this task. Remember, a clean work site is a safe work site. Finally, step back and admire your handiwork. A well-installed steel roof will enhance the beauty and value of your home for many years to come. Installing a steel roof is a challenging project. It's best left to experienced professionals. However, with the right skills and knowledge, some homeowners take it on. If you're considering DIY, invest in quality tools and safety gear. Familiarize yourself with the manufacturer's instructions. Take your time and work carefully. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Safety is paramount when working at heights. Use a safety harness and work with a partner whenever possible. Proper planning and careful execution are key to a successful DIY steel roof installation. Steel roofs are relatively low maintenance. Regular inspections and occasional cleaning will prolong their lifespan. Remove debris like leaves and branches, as they can trap moisture and lead to corrosion. Check for any signs of damage, such as loose panels or sealant. Address these issues promptly to prevent further damage. Avoid walking on the roof unnecessarily, as this can damage the panels. With proper care and maintenance, your steel roof will provide decades of reliable protection and enhance the beauty and value of your home.